But really, the biggest challenge is that this overall model of financing was designed when local governments still had robust land revenues. And the property market that started collapsing in 2021 has just completely devastated local fiscal capacity. And we know that since the mid-90s, local governments have been responsible for the preponderance of spending, but only receive a fraction of the tax revenue. And they managed to get through all that fiscal gap through land sales and LGFV borrowing. But that funding model is now completely defunct. And the 15th five-year plan is calling for fundamental fiscal system reforms. We'll see how that goes. Economists are basically projecting that China will need 4.5 to 5 trillion yuan annually just in local government special bonds to roll over existing debt. And meanwhile, these same local governments are expected to maintain and expand their government guidance fund commitments to meet technological self-reliance goals. So to wrap up, there's a major constraint here. Financing China's tech ambitions depends heavily on local government participation at precisely the moment when local fiscal capacity is most constrained.